haven't had a chance to install my seatbelts yet. Now I'm flying, talking down. Parfaits are delicious. Let me get some parfait. Parfait.
Oh no.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Hello, Ed boys.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, is this not the most perfect kingdom of them all?
Well, technically, you're not a king.
Thelonious. You were saying?
What I mean is that you're not a king. You mentally abuse shut-in.
Thelonious.
But you... Bachelorette from Kingdom Art. She likes Bachelorette number 2. Please welcome Cinderella. Bachelorette number 2 likes again 7 other men. Just kiss her dead, frozen ass. Give it up for Snow and White. And last, but certainly least, Bachelorette number 3 is a pina colada who likes pina coladas and getting pina coladas. Yours for the rescuing, pina coladas.
Okay. Thelonious.
Lord Farquaad, you've chosen.
Butt sex.
Hey, nigga, you got a nice little ass, nigga. Give me your ass, nigga. Nigga, you see me looking at you, nigga. Give me your ass, nigga.
Hey, I'm no one's messenger boy, all right? I'm a pretty princess.
You wouldn't dare.
I'm gonna fuck your ass.
You coming, Fiona?
No! What?